Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. So if you watched my last video, you know that I cleaned up this room really well and put up our Christmas tree that goes in this room. And I talked a little bit about decorating for Christmas in here, which I don't normally do. So if you want to see how I'm decorating for Christmas in our master bedroom, please stay tuned. So I got a few things last night that I found online for our room, and it was kind of crazy because I googled like something really generic like Christmas bedding or something, and I kept seeing the same kind of things over and over again, and I didn't want something, you know, like with a giant Christmas tree on it or something like that, but I wanted something that was definitely Christmassy. So up popped, you know, the thing at the top of Google that shows you like different places that have something similar to what you're looking for. And so I ended up clicking on bedding from Stein Mart, and it was exactly what I was looking for because I like color. Our ceiling in here is turquoise and I am just definitely a colorful person, so I went ahead and got a quilt, and I will show you it. So I got this quilt. You can see all of the colors, and I just think it's so pretty and kind of unique. And you can see the price here, $29.99. That's pretty awesome, right? And so they said online that they had limited availability in the store, and I was gonna go ahead and order it online because there was a promotion going on for free shipping on $50, and I knew I could hit that if I got a few of the pillows and things that go with it. But I decided to go and take a chance on going into my store and finding it, and they had one left, and it was a king, so it was meant to be. So I'll show you the rest of the stuff that I got. Stein Mart should sponsor this video. So I'm going to show you this first because I think it is the cutest thing ever. And of course Landon took it out earlier, so it's a little bit tingly. But they are these little bags packing. They are these little plush lights. And I think I'm going to hang them. Wow, this might just be an entire video of me unraveling this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna hang them either over our bed or on our mirror. And I think they are so cute. So this was $12.99, and I think this might have been on sale. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. So then I decided I had to get some of the pillows that matched it. Joy, Love, Peace, Believe, Christmas. It has a little pom-pom. Super cute. $19.99. Then in this house we laugh, we play, and we jingle all the way. And it's got little bells. Landon thought this was really, really cute, and we had to have it, so. Also $19.99. And I grabbed these super cute sheets. And you won't be able to see them, right, like while the bed's made. So I feel like it's a lot going on with the comforter and the sheets, but the print was too cute. Like, I thought about getting a dark teal sheet set, but I went with that. And the sheets that would have matched these shams, these were on sale. Originally $16.99, but I believe they were 40% off. So I got two of them. And then I got one of these because they only had one left that matched my quilt. So this is a standard size sham. So I figure I'm gonna need to buy some more pillows because we don't have a ton right now. And I have 2 king size pillows, so the king size shams will go on there. And then this one I'm gonna put on a smaller pillow I have and make it in the front, and then use the decorative pillows. But then I know that the sheet set came with pillowcases too, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this on, and then I'm going to do a little bit more decorating. So hang out with me and let's decorate for Christmas. much for watching as I put up my new Christmas bedding and put the garland and the wreath up over my bed. So the wreath came from Target and I love it. It was $12.99 I believe, so super cheap, and it really matches the colorful decorations we have in here. I also grabbed a couple of these from the Target dollar spot. I believe they were, I think these were $1. They had some slightly bigger ones that were $3. So I'm going to do a little bit more decorating and I will for sure show you guys the finished product. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please make sure to hit it and hit the little bell so that you'll get notifications when I post a new video. I thank you all so much for watching my videos and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.